you, ma'am. I'm asking for the youth of this nation because they felt it. Yeah. They believed it. They believed it. See, she's crying with my dialogues. She's crying. Look at her. अपने आप को खूबसूरत समझती हैं? नहीं समझती तो बिल्कुल सही समझती हैं. You guys have come here because of this country, because of this nation, because of this benefit of this nation.
बस 5 किलो राशन पे इतना गुमान, साहब हमारे बहुत सारे हैं परेशान.
जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm feeling highly honored and privileged that you guys have come here. Ladies and gentlemen, you guys have not come here because of us. You guys have not come here because of the party. But you guys have come here because of this country, because of this nation, because of this benefit of this nation. Guys, we and our party have this idea that you guys are thinking about the interest of this country, and thinking about your interest is our duty. Yes! And that's why we are here. I, Manita Singh, I'm the president of Swatantra Bharat. Swatantrata, independence. You might have forget about this word, right? Right? Because in the party of Jhanendra, because in the party of this Rashid, even women are not independent. Even they are not having freedom. And you guys are talking about independence? This is so wrong. This is so wrong, man. Guys, I'm feeling very sorry. Ask why? Why? Because they have looted you guys. They have looted you. At least clap. Miss Hina, you are so beautiful. Aren't you? Don't you consider yourself? आप अपने आप को खूबसूरत समझती हैं? नहीं समझती तो बिल्कुल सही समझती हैं. Guys, I want to see. Please turn your head and look at their faces. They are looking Lutera. They are looking criminals. You guys have looted this country. You guys have destroyed this country. And this is so shameful. You were laughing at Bharat Kutumbakam? Guys, first of all, consider your country as a family. Yeah. Consider your country as a family, then consider the rest of the world. This is our ideology that makes us different from yours. Yes. Ma'am, you said there is a lot of GST tax, income tax, tax per tax, tax per tax. Your tax is not going to come, your tax is not here for the country's development. Your tax is here to fill the pockets of Rashid, to fill the black pockets of this Hina ma'am. I wish I would not come here because this is so sad. Talking about this issue is so sad. I literally want to cry right now. Because, do you know the hypocrisy of Hina ma'am? On 2nd of July, Hathras case happened, right? And she didn't tweet anything except today is my cake murder day. Oh my. How cringe this is! How cringe this is! She was celebrating her birthday, and you guys are thinking that they are beneficial for the country. They don't even care for this country, guys. They don't even care for this country. They are cake murdering her day. What is this behavior, guys? And, ma'am, you were concerned about education, right? People would know about the value of education. Rashid, who's 10th fail, how would he consider the value of education? No. Hina ma'am, who's 5th failed, how would she consider the value of education? When she was in government, in position, ma'am, please. you would get the chance to come here. Likewise, we have to stop them, guys.
You can see yourself.
I'm educating. I'm PhD holder. Who are you, fifth fail? Shut up. You are fifth fail. I am a PhD holder. Guys, they are again making cock and a bull story because they don't have anything to tell. They don't have anything to tell, guys. And that's why they are making...
Whatever you said,
I was talking about education. Guys, when we were ruling, and I know and I really believe the logo of our party bucket, please fill this bucket with your votes. Please fill this bucket with your expectations and we would fulfill it. We would make it possible. Not they. They are the luteras of the country. And we are here for you guys. You, the people of the country. And talking about education, where I was, oh my God, these people make me forget everything. Like they have forgotten the value of this nation. Their habit is like that, man. So when we were ruling and when we would be ruling in the near future, we assure you to provide you with private schools, with good education, with new education policy. Clap.
forcefully clap.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, of course.
I don't believe.
Interested to clap.
I'm not asking you, ma'am. I'm asking for the youth of this nation because they felt it. Yeah. They believed it. They believed it. See, she's crying with my dialogues. She's crying. Look at her tears. She felt it. She's the, oh my God, don't cry, ma'am. I know we would be ruling. I know people would choose us again. And
That's why people choose us
ma'am,
for the third time.
we have made metro in Lucknow, in Ayodhya, everywhere. Ma'am, are you blind or what? You are not able to see metro? You are coming here with metro. You boarded the metro today and you are saying, where is the metro? What is this, ma'am? This is hypocrisy. And I would like to mold one quotation. Someone said, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं ये देश रहना चाहिए. I'm also saying, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं हिना मैम तो नहीं रहना चाहिए. And the rest points would be told by the spokesman of our party. And thank you, guys.
It's very nice. I'm literally crying. So I'm going to call Mr. Lalu Yadav. Please don't.
Good morning, all MPs. I am Lalu Yadav, MP of our district. Yeah. I talk about present time ruling party slogan. पढ़ोगे लिखोगे होगे खराब खेलोगे कूदोगे बनोगे नवाब. Because present time ruling party is a very dakayat chore. Because people face lots of problem, paper leaks and employment. Ruling party are busy London and other countries. Because मुझे लगा क्यों ज़्यादा लोग परेशान हैं, सीने में जलन आँखों में तूफान सा क्यों है, हमें दिखता है कि पूरा दुनिया परेशान सा क्यों है. Our ruling party, our PM, Mr. Jainendra sir, are busy London and America and other. People are very dukhi. Because Article 12 say right duty of state provide lots of ration, not provide lots of ration, not provide lots of maintain our people and lots of provide VIP education. But our Prime Minister Jainendra sir provide only lots of ration. बस 5 किलो राशन पे इतना गुमान, साहब हमारे बहुत सारे हैं परेशान. प्रेजेंट टाइम में my ruling party main motto, Hindu, Musliman, Sikh pareshan, because preamble clearly define, we the people of India, no discrimination of our religion. Because, but Indian people very उसे क्या बोलते हैं, सिंपल को, सीधे को, सिंपल. इंडियन पीपल वेरी सिंपल, बिकॉज वो जानते ही नहीं है कि हम हिंदू अच्छे, मुसलमान अच्छे, बस हिंदू प्लस मुसलमान इज इक्वल टू हिंदुस्तान. सो थैंक यू जी. प्रेजेंट टाइम डेवलपमेंट, we have provided lots of laptop and VIP road laptop. Present time ruling party provide lots of gadda, lots of ration. It is good. Our nation, my ruling party want my people, my citizen. Yeah. Yes, I will become Prime Minister of India.
What about President?
I respect. This is my president.
So you will become Prime Minister?
Yeah.
You guys are fighting the same party? Yeah.
No fighting. My government main motto, खेलोगे कूदोगे होगे खराब और पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब. ठीक. थैंक यू.